Just got the Turbosmart blow-off valve installed. This is a morning cold start. Should take your first ban. Oh yeah. It's one of the best budget upgrades you could do to the car. Super loud. I'm also running the Mad Power Max chip from Madness, as well as the short ram cold air intake from Madness as well, the Scylla. Can't really go too fast here. Speed limit's only 25. Already getting looks. But I wanted to make this video because I haven't found a single video on this blow-off valve all over the internet on an Abarth. Just sounds amazing. Definitely worth the money.